Hello students, I hope you all are fine and you are doing your studies properly. Your final examination is very soon, so please it's must you have to be very attentive. Last time I have already explained about this chapter number 6 Asia, which is the largest continent, and I explained about their maps, and also requested if you prepare map properly then the chapter will be very easy for you. So this chapter is also completely based on map. So I hope you have studied map properly. Today I am going to explain you about this introduction. What is this introduction? Generally we know that the Asia, which is the largest continent, and it is also along with a one another continent, because rest of the continents are divided by the water body, but this is divided by one land part by the Ural mountain. Here is the Ural mountain and this is part the Europe and this is the Asia. Along with this both it is called as Eurasia. Okay, this is called the Eurasia. But one more thing it is that the uh, Asia, it is also the 1/3 of the world. It means 1/3, the 1/3 part of the complete area, and 4/5 part of the Eurasia. Okay, so this is, it means you can assume that how much its area, how much it's long, how much its coverage. Okay, so you just keep in mind. And another one thing, in the Europe, and there are also the Ural mountain. I already explained you. After the Ural mountain you can see there is a Black Sea, you just see in the map. Then there is a Caspian Sea. Okay, so you just also see these two seas. Okay, it is in the map. And here there is Africa. Just let me show you. Now you can understand that here it is the Black Sea, here it is the Caspian Sea, here it is the Mediterranean Sea, and here it is the Red Sea. And you can see that here this is the continent of Africa. So this Africa continent is divided by this Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Okay, and this by the Europe there is the Ural mountain. Okay, and then Black Sea and Caspian Sea. Okay, so this is all about this area. This is complete the Asia part. You have already seen in the last video. Then the important part is that there is also this Asia part is a largest, and the Eurasia is divided by the Ural mountain. And the second one, it is the location and extent, how much it's extent. So how much it extends, generally you just assume that this is the Asia part. So here it is in the how much, here just understand this is the north, south, east, west, how much it's extent. So in south 10-degree south, and north 80-degree north, then 25-degree east, and 170-degree west. So this is the how much extent you can understand. These are the latitudes and longitudes of these Asia continents. Okay, you just understand. And another one important part, there is a Tropic of Cancer which is passes through from it, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, and then one more here about in the lower part there is a border with a equator. Okay, so these lines are also very important for this location. So this is all about its location. And talking about the area, so how much area? Near about 44 million square kilometer. Okay, so this is how much large area, and it stretches from, as I already told you, just let me show once again. Here you can say that it stretches from Arctic Ocean, here it is the Pacific Ocean, here there is the equator line. Okay, and below the Indian Ocean. And from here in the western part you can see that there is a Ural mountain, then Ural river, and also a Black Sea, Caspian Sea, and there is a Caucasus mountain. Here it is in Germany, there is a Caucasus mountain. That's why it is also called Transcaucasia. What is it called? Transcaucasia. And in it there are three countries are there. It is the Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Armenia. Okay, so this is all about. So this is the border from this Asia. So it is its location and its extent. I hope it is clear. Then a continent of a contrast, it will cover in the next video because it is the part of a physical Asia. Okay, so I will cover this part, it is in the next video, along with these physical features of Asia. Now I am covering the political divisions of Asia and CIS, Commonwealth of Independent States. Now see, this is the political division of Asia. Generally you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 7 parts in which this Asia is completely divided. It is not that much difficult. Generally you just remember about the directions. First of all, east, then this part here, okay, this part, it is south, east, then south, then west, then west part, then this is the central part, and then there is a North Asia. So 1 2 3 4, there are 4 directions, central 5, and this one the 6. So in which part what countries are located, it's very easy, but you have to see the map. Either you have to learn these all locations. Now first of all, it is the East Asia. Okay, here what are the countries? Japan, North Korea, South Korea, China, Mongolia, and Taiwan. In the Southeast Asia, in this part, okay, in this part, these are the Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, Indonesia, and Philippines. Then South Asia, in the south, this part, even India is also there. India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Maldives. And in the west part, this western part, these are the most of the countries are in this location: Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Kuwait, Iran, Iraq, Jordan, Syria, Israel, Lebanon, Cyprus, and Turkey. Then in the Central Asia, there is a Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Afghanistan. These all are in the Central Asia. And in the North Asia, there is only one. It is the Russia. Russia spans the continent Europe and Asia. Okay, you know already in last video I explained you. This Russia is in the part of both. Russia, it is in the part of both. Okay, this is the complete Russia, and this Russia is some part in Europe in the 30%, 20%, and maximum part it is in the Asia. Okay, so this is all about the political divisions of Asia. Basically it is divided into 6 parts, and what country is located in what area. It is very easy. Once again you will see the map, then it is very easy for understanding and learning. So I hope it is clear. Now second one, it is the one more important part of Russia. Actually earlier Russia, which we know nowadays, in 1991, it is called USSR. What is it called? USSR. This USSR was divided into some countries. How? It is broken into 15 independent republics out of 11 formed as a CIS. What is CIS? It is called Commonwealth of Independent States. It means just like earlier the India is a single. After that in 1947 it is divided. Pakistan in 1971 divided Bangladesh. Same like that, from the USSR these 11 countries are formed independent Commonwealth states. It is called Commonwealth of Independent States. What are these names? These are Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Ukraine. But these two are not officially signed because there are some their personal issues. Okay, but they are unofficial, but they are in the Commonwealth of Independent States. So these are the sovereign and the independent nations. Just like earlier there is one India, Pakistan is divided, Bangladesh is divided. Now it called independent, the India independent, Pakistan, Bangladesh, same like that. These 11 states are independent individually. It is by the USSR. Earlier it is called, not nowadays it is called Russia, but earlier it is called the USSR, Union Soviet. Okay. So I hope this lecture is clear. Still, if you are having any problem, dikkat, pareshani, duvidha, shanka, trouble, whatever you are, you just write. I will try to comment. And once more, I'll just request you, please go through this map for the political. If you are not able to see in this map, go in Google Map. It is more easy. Even now you can see the Russia, the Mongolia, China, India, the Iran, Kazakhstan, Iraq. The most of the countries you can easily observe. If not, you can go and search on Google Map. I hope you will do, and then you will satisfied. There is only one key for understanding and learning this chapter. It is the map work. So it's my again kind request, please do map work properly, then this chapter is very easy for you. Thank you so much. Next time I will come with another lecture. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.